Beyond Indigo is about results. We are about producing marketing that brings tails through the door. Defining your space is a choice. So that's a very powerful tool there that you get to have working virtually. As an owner of a company, I'm not limited to a certain geographical area of finding a talent. We have employees in 14 different states. We bring those people together through interactive technology.
We're able to pull these resources, pull these experiences, and pull these different ways of looking at marketing to find the right fit for the right client.
I have 2 girls. Because of this job, I'm able to still raise them. I can't say it. It's a true blessing.
The most important thing for us in a virtual environment is trust.
Human beings need a lot of respect. What's valuable to me is work-life balance.
What adds value to my life is the sheer flexibility of being able to work from wherever I have Wi-Fi.
One of my favorite things about working from home is being able to take my dogs on a walk here in sunny Arizona.
We all have different personalities and different strengths and different weaknesses that we can support each other in.
It's so exciting to watch people shine and bloom and be excited about the work that they produce for our clients.
I also wanted to take this time to introduce you to a couple of my local co-workers here. We got Jeanne, the dog. Come here, Jeanne. Good girl.
While we're working with veterinarians, each practice really is unique, and we get the chance to show off what is unique about each one of those practices because we aren't fitting them into a certain mold.
My choice is to empower other people, to empower my employees, to empower my clients to be the best they can possibly be.